The job description of a Python developer revolves around the creation, deployment, and maintenance of software applications using the Python programming language. Python developers are integral members of technology teams across diverse industries such as web development, data science, artificial intelligence, finance, healthcare, and automation. Their expertise lies in writing clean, scalable, and efficient code to solve real-world problems and build functional solutions that enhance user experiences or support business operations. Python's simplicity, versatility, and powerful libraries make it a favored tool for both startups and large enterprises, giving Python developers a significant role in shaping the digital backbone of an organization. Python developers may work on a variety of projects depending on the company's goals. In a web development context, they may use frameworks like Django or Flask to build server-side logic and API endpoints. In data science and machine learning, they leverage libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, or TensorFlow to analyze data or create predictive models. In DevOps and scripting, Python serves as a powerful tool for automating tasks and building deployment pipelines. As Python continues to expand across sectors, developers proficient in it are in growing demand for their ability to bridge the gap between complex data structures and user-friendly solutions. Typically reporting to a tech lead, engineering manager, or software architect, Python developers are involved in both back-end and full-stack projects. They collaborate closely with UI/UX designers, product managers, QA testers, and DevOps teams to ensure cohesive development efforts. The position may be remote or office-based, with some developers working independently on freelance or contract assignments, while others operate within agile Scrum teams in larger corporate environments. Regardless of the structure, the job demands strong logical thinking, collaborative skills, and attention to code quality. Core responsibilities of a Python developer. At the heart of a Python developer's responsibilities is writing high-quality, reusable, and maintainable code. This involves building features, fixing bugs, refactoring code for efficiency, and integrating third-party services or APIs. Developers must thoroughly understand project requirements, transform them into technical solutions, and deliver software that aligns with both user expectations and business objectives. Python developers are expected to participate in the entire software development lifecycle, SDLC, from requirements gathering and system design to development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. In agile environments, they work in sprints, contribute to daily stand-ups, and frequently review code through peer feedback sessions to ensure adherence to coding standards and best practices. Database interaction is a crucial component of the role. Python developers often use libraries like SQLAlchemy or ORM tools to connect with relational databases such as PostgreSQL or MySQL, or work with NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Writing efficient queries, designing schemas, and ensuring data consistency are all part of this process. Unit testing and debugging also fall within their scope. Using frameworks such as PyTest or Unitest, Python developers create test cases to validate code functionality and maintain software integrity over time. Debugging tools and logging frameworks are used to trace issues and resolve them quickly and accurately. Documentation is another key responsibility. Python developers are expected to maintain thorough technical documentation that explains application architecture, codebase logic, and system dependencies. This ensures that other developers can understand and contribute to the project efficiently, especially in team environments. In addition to coding, developers may participate in code reviews, mentor junior developers, and contribute to the development of internal tools or frameworks. They may also be asked to research new technologies, evaluate libraries or packages, and make recommendations that align with evolving business and technical needs. At the midpoint of understanding their technical involvement, it's important to recognize that the job description of a Python developer is not confined to coding alone. It encompasses problem-solving, innovation, collaboration, and the continuous pursuit of better digital solutions. Skills and competencies required for success. A Python developer must first and foremost possess an in-depth understanding of Python syntax, structure, and core concepts such as data types, control flow, OOP, object-oriented programming, exception handling, and modules. Strong knowledge of Python's standard library and familiarity with packages like requests, JSON, OS, and math is essential for building effective scripts and applications. Framework expertise is also important. Python developers working in web development must be skilled in Django, Flask, or FastAPI. Those in data-centric roles should be comfortable with Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Jupyter notebooks. For AI and machine learning tasks, familiarity with Keras, TensorFlow, or PyTorch is often required. Front-end understanding, though not always mandatory, is an asset, especially for full-stack roles. Basic proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with experience integrating front-end frameworks like React or Vue.js, helps in building seamless web applications. Version control is a must-have skill. Python developers must be adept in Git, including managing branches, pull requests, merges, and handling conflicts. Familiarity with platforms like GitHub or GitLab is essential for collaborative development and C/CD integration. Soft skills play a significant role in the effectiveness of a Python developer. Strong communication skills are required to explain technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders, contribute to team discussions, and document work clearly. Analytical thinking and creative problem-solving are vital for debugging and optimizing code, as well as architecting innovative solutions. Time management and the ability to work independently are valuable, especially in remote or freelance settings. Python developers must prioritize tasks effectively, meet deadlines, and stay accountable for deliverables in both structured and unstructured work environments. Adaptability and a learning mindset are also essential. The Python ecosystem is constantly evolving, with new tools, frameworks, and updates being released regularly. Developers must stay current through self-learning, online courses, or contributions to open-source projects. Work environment and career path. Python developers may work in startups, tech firms, digital agencies, fintech companies, academic institutions, or large multinational corporations. Some specialize in a particular domain such as data engineering, web development, or machine learning, while others enjoy the variety of full-stack development or DevOps roles. The flexibility of Python allows for diverse applications, making it a versatile and career-enriching path. The work environment is typically tech-focused, often operating in agile settings with frequent collaboration, stand-ups, and iterative releases. Many Python developers work remotely, using communication tools like Slack, Zoom, Jira, and Trello to coordinate with teams. In-office roles often include team brainstorming sessions, code review meetings, and peer mentorship. Career growth for Python developers is promising. With experience and a proven track record, one can advance to senior developer, software architect, technical lead, or engineering manager roles. Others may pivot into specialized fields like data science, AI, ML engineering, DevOps, or product management. Python's widespread usage also enables developers to transition across industries, from healthcare and finance to education and logistics. Educational requirements vary. Many Python developers hold degrees in computer science, software engineering, mathematics, or information systems. However, self-taught developers with strong portfolios, open-source contributions, or completion of online certifications from platforms like Coursera, edX, or Udemy also find ample opportunities. Certifications in Python programming, data analytics, or machine learning can boost job prospects, especially when combined with project experience. Participation in coding competitions, GitHub contributions, and personal projects also demonstrate initiative and skill. In a broader sense, the job description of a Python developer reflects a role that has grown to become a backbone of modern digital transformation. From automation scripts to large-scale applications, Python developers enable businesses to innovate, scale, and adapt in an increasingly digital landscape. Conclusion. The job description of a Python developer outlines a role that is both technically demanding and professionally rewarding. These professionals do much more than write code. They solve problems, optimize systems, and build applications that drive business performance and user engagement. With Python's continued rise in popularity, the demand for skilled developers is only expected to grow. For individuals who enjoy analytical thinking, creative problem-solving, and working at the intersection of technology and real-world impact, the role of a Python developer offers a compelling and future-proof career path. Whether developing web platforms, automating internal processes, or creating machine learning models, Python developers are key architects in building the digital future.